Good day, everyone. My presentation is about the impact of academic pressure on mental health among a Mapua College Mindanao student. I am Omar Amir E. Abdullah Almoini, and this research was conducted as part of my academic requirement under civil engineering writing for academic studies. In the presentation, I will present you through the introduction, methodology, finding and recommendation of the study. And I would like emphasize the academic pressure is one of the biggest challenge faced by students today. The pressure often comes from heavy workload, strict and deadlines, and high expectation from both school and family. If not managed properly, it can lead to stress, anxiety, and even at Mapua College of Mindanao, many students face this challenge daily as they try to balance their academic respon- responsibilities with their personal lives. The problem addressed in this study is that while many students experience academic pressure, its specific impact on mental health is often overlooked. Most existing student discuss student stress in general, but very few focus on Mapua College Mindanao. Student, this is this is create a research gap since there is limited understanding of how academic demand affect their well-being through this study. I I am to fill that gap by examining the relationship between academic pressure and the mental health of Mapua student. This study is guided by Lazarus and Polkman stress and coping theory. According to this theory, stress occurs when individuals perceive that the demand placed on them exceed their ability to cope. In the context of this research, academic tasks serve as stressor which students evaluate through appraisal. They cope with this pressure, whether through positive or negative strategies, direct, directly affect their mental health outcome. The framework help explain how academic pressure influence the well-being of Mapua College Mindanao student. The main purpose of this study is to analyze how academic pressure impact the mental health of Mapua College Mindanao student. More specifically, the study has four objectives. First, to identify the common source of academic pressure experienced by students. Second, to assess their current mental health status. Third, to examine the coping strategies that they use when dealing with pressure. And lastly, to provide recommendation that may help reduce stress and promote student well-being. For this study, I used quantitative descriptive research design. This approach was chosen because it is allow use of measure and describe how academic pressure affect the mental health of student. The goal of this design to collect survey data, analyze it, and internet the result in order better understanding the experience of Mapua College Mindanao student. Our study participants are students from Mapua College of Mindanao. To make sure our data is representative, we use s- stratify random sampling grouping respondent by program and level year. We plan for a practical sample size of 100 to 200 students, which is feasible for our time frame while still giving reliable result. Inclusion criteria require the student currently enrolled, at least 18 years old and willing to provide informed consent. Those on leave with incomplete response or who decline to participate were excluded. Our data gathering follow a clear process. First, we prepare a survey questionnaire that focus on academic pressure, mental health status, and coping strategies to ensure accuracy. The, the survey was validated by our faculty advisor. Next, we distribute the survey both online and through classroom coordinate, making sure only qualified participate. Answer data collection was carried out within set time frame, and we emphasize we emphasize confidentially, so what student respond remain anonymous. Our research use a quantitative descriptive design. This is appropriate because we aim to describe the relationship between academic pressure and mental health among students without manipulating any variable. We collected data using survey questionnaire, which give us measurable result that we could summarize into percentage and average. The design is simple, efficient, and allow to identify trend and coping strategies the student commonly use, making it very suitable for a classroom-based mini research study. To analyze the data, we use descriptive statistics, statistic frequencies, and percentage allowed to use see how many students experience certain level of academic pressure, while the mean and standard deviation help measure the overall level of pressure and mental health issue. We also categorize coping strategy in the positive and negative approach. Then we compound the result across your level and program to check of difference. Finally, we inter interpreted the pattern to understand how academic demand influence student well-being. Our finding revealed the most students at Mapua College of Mindanao experience moderate to high level of academic pressure. This pressure often affect their mental health, with many reporting stress, anxiety, and struggle in balancing academic demand. When it when it comes to coping strategies, some students practice positive method like the time management and peer support, but other rely on negative strategies such as pro- procra- procrastination and lack of sleep. We also observe that higher level tend to report greater pressure compared to a lower year, showing how academic demand increase over time. In conclusion, our study showed that academic pressure greatly affect the mental health of Mapua College Mindanao student. Most students reported stress, anxiety, and while we some use positive coping strategy, others relied on unhealthy habits that may worsen their condition. Based on this finding, we recommended the student practice time management and healthy coping faculty can help by balancing workload and being flexible when possible the school admission should also strengthen support system like counseling and stress management workshop. Finally, future research can focus on effective intervention to reduce academic stress and improve overall well-being.